My marigolds. Season's over, so they're coming out. These are calla lilies, not canna lilies, and they are a bulb, and I'm going to dig them out. They didn't do too well. They made one little flower, and that was about it. So we got the bulb. Where'd the bulb go? Oh, bulb, just all root. Here's the bulb right here. That's the bulb. Now what I can do is save it for later, and maybe it'll grow. I'm glad I got the bulb out. Don't have to worry about it later. Normally I would hang, and I can hang, but I don't trust it. It's just like my camera here. Let me fix you. There you go. 2x4s, they feel heavy, but it's getting there. Polycarbonate, plastic. You've seen it. It's expensive. It's going to go on top, and then those boards going to go here. I didn't nail that to the wall. I basically siliconed it to the wall. But I'm going to have to figure out something. Not going to fall. Good job indeed. There's my update. Keep watching if you're interested. Have a great day, everybody.